Mae eleni yn ddengmlwyddiant Cymdeithas Rhyngwladol y Comisiynwyr Iaith, felly ni'n bod yn dathlu hynny yng Nghaerdydd ac mae'n braf gwneud hynny. Mae'n gymdeithas bwysig i ni gyd sy'n Comisiynwyr Iaith ac yn Ombudsman ac i ni'n wedi mwynhau'r cyfle i ddod at ein gilydd.
Who are we without our languages? It gives us our values, our worldviews.
I think the highlight last night was seeing the kids singing. It's through song and culture that a language lives. It's not through rules and regulations. People have to express themselves.
Human beings are, after all, language animals. And the fact that the Welsh language is still here, but more than that, actually quite strong and trying to get better, to do better, I think those are some of the quite interesting aspects that I was able to learn more about during the few days that I've been here in Cardiff.
Mae'n wych gallu cyflwyno gwybod am gwaith y ganolfan dysgu Cymraeg Genedlaethol. Da ni wedi profi twf aruthrol yn ddiweddar. Mae'n hyfryd gallu rhannu yma heddiw a rhannu gobaith am y Gymraeg ar dyfodol.
I think the most important thing that the IALC provides the sharing of expertise and knowledge. So we're looking at learning a lot from the Welsh experience and context.
Mae'r gaderyddiaeth yn ymrwyo o wlad i wlad fesul 2 flynedd, felly dwi'n dod nawr at ddiwedd fy nghyfnod i fel cadeirydd a byddai'n pasio'r baton ymlaen.
It will be a positive experience for myself and my office, I'm sure.
It's extremely important that we share what we know, what we've learned in our work with our colleagues. Because in as much as we are different, we are very much the same in terms of we're trying to preserve, enhance and promote minority languages across the country and across the world.
Mae wedi bod yn ddeuddydd bendigedig o groesawu Comisiynwyr Iaith o'r draws y byd i gynhadledd rhyngwladol y Comisiynwyr Iaith.